Now you have the mood board and you have your ideas na. So it's time to let our creative juices flow. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung idea ng lion eh. Kaya mag-revolve ako around different lion sketches. So sa pag-sketch ng ideas mo, depende sa'yo eh kung saan ka comfortable. If traditional pen and paper or tablet or stylus, it depends on you kung saan ka mas comfortable. Ako mas comfortable ako sa pen and paper lang kasi mas nagfo-flow yung creativity ko dito and mas comfortable akong gamitin. Let's start na sketch our ideas. Dun sa mood board mo, siguro i-flash mo lang siya sa screen tapos kuha ka lang ng magandang ideas. Siguro mga 3 to 4 ideas. So, depends on you. So, I'm using my dotted notebook and my pen. Let's try basic shapes muna. Parang maganda yung round. Try natin yung round square. Tapos, lagyan natin ng diamond sa gitna. And then, tingnan niyo yung form nung itsura nung lion. So, parang okay yung ganito. Isi-simplified mo yung itsura nung lion eh. So, nire-reference ko dito yung image ng lion. Paano siya masi-simplified through simple shapes and lines. Explore lang nung mga lines. Okay lang kahit pangit yung lumabas. Trust the process. Huwag kayo mainis na, ang pangit ng idea ko. So, trust the process, guys. So, okay lang yan sa una. Magpo-flow din yung ideas nyo, yung creative juice nyo dito. So yun, meron na tayong different sketches. That's how we sketch our ideas. So dako na tayo sa fourth step, which is the design execution.